Planttools are a series of applications for AutoCAD Plant 3D, as well as helping in engineering processes like electrical, mechanical and process engineering. In 2008, Autodesk started with AutoCAD P&ID here in Central Europe, and instantly we recognized certain gaps in the software. So we started with the development. The first tool we developed was Plant Reporter, followed by Plant Data Manager, and since then we continued to develop more and more tools with the help of our customers. You can group the functionality of all the plant tools in 4 categories. The first is spec-driven P&IDs and also the link between P&ID and 3D drawings. Second part is data management in data editing, reporting, data integration. Third would be CAD tools or CAD functions which help the customer draw faster, create less errors when he draws. And the fourth is a series of administrative tools or functions. In 2010, Autodesk invited us to Autodesk University in Las Vegas, and what we were supposed to present is the plant tools which fill the gaps in the software. So this is already what Autodesk told the customers, and based on that we filled the gaps with continuous development, and that allows the customer to create workflows or to use workflows which he could not use before, and also work more efficient and create less errors in his data or his drawings. So with Plant Spec-Driven, we have a tool which allows you to assign your spec and catalog data to your P&ID symbols. You can create a bill of material from your P&ID drawings already. And then in the second phase, you can use the data from P&ID in 3D, and you can monitor the progress of your project from the transition from the P&ID drawing into the 3D drawing dynamically on your screen. Plant Link is used mostly for 2 purposes. The first is to use external data like catalog data to integrate that into the P&ID drawings or 3D drawings. And the second biggest part is the improvement of the data flow within the AutoCAD P&ID drawings to help propagate data within the drawing, for example. Plant Express tools are a series of functions for administrative purposes as well as CAD-related functions. 2 of the functions mostly used is to export the project setup to Excel, modify it and then import it back to speed up the process of setting up your project. And the second function is the calculation function, which can be compared to using Excel formula to help you do all sorts of calculations in your drawings. Plant Data Manager allows you to edit the data outside of your AutoCAD Plant 3D environment, so you can modify all the data which you created by your P&ID and 3D drawings. We sit together with the customer, we write a specification which contains his requirements, and then we implement it based on his requirement and based on the specification, and then this will supplement the existing Planttools functionality and helps everyone to use Planttools.